In this video, I'm going to show you how to alter images with Grok. I'm using the web version. I think you can also use this on mobile or within the X app on mobile or web. But Grok can actually do some pretty cool stuff with images. So I'm just going to take an image of a park here. And you guys can play around with this, kind of do whatever you want with it. But I'm just going to drag this image in here. And then say make it winter. Enter. Now this is going to give me two different options here, but it's going to basically turn this park into a wintry scene. So we can see the original here and then the images that Grok created here. So there's the two options that it made. Then I could also go to like creative, make this bright anime style. And like I said, there's a lot to play around with and experiment, but that's pretty cool what it can create in 30 seconds or so. Then you can just download these images here if you want. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.